Alrighty, so this is the current state of today's mission is. Today we have a few things going on, which is get that Mugen wheel right there. You can't see it, I'll take it out later. We're gonna take that out. We're gonna get it fixed, or at least we're gonna take it to someone who can get it fixed. And then those tires, all those tires right there, we're gonna get some unmounted and some mounted for some wheels that I have there. So today's little DIY, having issues with my brake system, so I first replaced the master cylinder. It wasn't that, it turned out to be the brake booster, so I replaced the brake booster, but now we need to bleed the system, and so that's what we're going to be doing at the moment. We're going to be bleeding the system by ourselves, because that's how we do. Other than that, I did buy a few pieces that, again, to me they're fairly cool. To some other people are like whatever's, but finally was able to buy my window visors. They're the OEM ones, right there, cord. So finally was able to buy those. Pretty happy with that. I also went to the junkyard a couple weeks back and bought all these interior panels. They're dark gray. I wanted to go with the more OEM color for the interior, and I'll be doing a video about that one as well. In addition, thanks to my brother, he helped me fix this issue that I had, that the wheel kept popping in and out. So it turned out to be my control arm. I just needed it has adjustable cambers, so it was loose. Pushed it all the way out, tightened them up. Hopefully they don't come loose anymore, but if they do, I kind of know what the issue is. And yeah, for now I took out the strut bar just because I needed room. I don't know, these cars don't have any room to do anything, but yeah, let's start bleeding the system. So she's kind of out. Oh no, it started idling, kind of weird. So we'll see. Started to idle a little bit weird, but took off the sticker and took off the 1 centimeter inch of paint. All right, so now we're here for the Mugen wheel. Yes, so part of my plan this entire week that I'm off from work is to get a few things done. That includes getting this wheel fixed. As you guys can see, I got the lip, I mean the inner barrel fixed. Now I gotta get this little thing. Hopefully the guy that I'll be taking it to does a very good job. If not, I'm probably gonna be a little bit upset. So this one I should be receiving back in about 2 days, according to what he said. Let's load this one up in the daily. By the way, this is the daily. So load up in the daily. There's jack-o'-lantern. I still need to bleed the system the right way. As you guys can see, the power steering, there's a leak somewhere, so that has to be addressed as well. Okay, so let's get these tires now. So I'm still undecided whether I want to mount the tires. I think I want to mount the tires, then come back, go to AutoZone or something, buy more of these, and clean them up before I go in and mount the other tires. So it's never ending with this thing, but yeah. So you can tell I have to clean up a lot of stuff. It's not good, everyone. I don't think this transmission even works when it's full, so we'll see. This is trash, more trash. Any of you as unorganized like myself? Because goodness, look at this. I don't even know what I have. That one doesn't work, but I won't throw it away. So this is the setup for the wheels that we got the new tires mounted for. They're really bad. Let's clean them up. And then I wasn't able to find the strip remover, the aircraft at AutoZone, so oh well, I'm just gonna have to get it some other day. But for now, I just wanted to clean them up so that way when they go back into the garage, you know, a little bit and wipe down, and then they'll be ready to start restoring them. For now, this is the setup.